Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we got a 1965 Mustang convertible here, loaded up with everything you want. Power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning, pony interior, and more. Same owner since 1995. It's just been had a complete service, a $5,000 service just done. It's turnkey, ready to go and show. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you get the price, all the specs, photos top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars, and they are all for sale. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the little bell icon. That way you'll be notified as the videos come out. You'll be the first to see them. But right now the top is down. Why don't you go with me for a spin? I know the gentleman that restored this car back in 1995. Did a complete restoration. The same couple has owned it ever since. They took really good care of it. They decided to sell it because of health issues. They weren't using the car the last couple of years. So the gentleman that restored the car back in the mid-90s is the gentleman that just went through it front to back. They literally just wrote him a check just shy of $5,000. I have the invoice. They went through the complete brake system, flushed out the fluids, got silicone brake fluid, they're adjusted. The fuel system was completely drained and gone through. The carburetor was rebuilt. The transmission has a new pinion seal, fresh fluids, fresh pan gasket. The air conditioning was evacuated and charged, so it's ice cold air. The list just goes on and on. It's got Pertronics electronic ignition in the car now. Every light works, it runs beautifully. So again, it's detailed, it's dialed in. That's part of what he did also. He power washed the whole bottom of the car and touched it up real nice. So it's a show quality car. Paint on here is 25 years old and it looks fantastic. It's all metal. And the paint is beautiful. All the chrome and trim is fantastic. The emblems, the grille, the bumper. I forgot to mention it's a 289A code. The A in the VIN number designates it's the performance motor. It's the 4-barrel. And under here it has power steering, power brakes, and like I said, cold air. It's all detailed out with the proper hose clamps, the auto lights, battery topper. It is a new battery. The valve covers, the air cleaner, everything's beautiful. Everything's in the proper finishes. The engine bay is a nice clean metal with a satin black. You got the gray hinges, the brackets, everything's detailed up real nice. The windshield was replaced. It's still crystal clear. The gasket's soft. All the trim around it's real nice. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. The interior lights work even in the doors. It's a white convertible top in excellent shape. All this trim's real nice. It's got GT exhaust coming through the valance. The guy was a pipe fitter, so he made the exhaust out of stainless steel. He actually took apart a Flowmaster muffler so he could see how they made it, and he made his own version of the Flowmaster out of stainless steel. Trunk compartment's all clean and all painted. The wiring is nice. The rubber mat's nice. It has a matching fifth tire and wheel, brand new chrome GT wheel with the new tire that matches the others. The trim under the boot here is beautiful, shiny chrome. Again, the white top is excellent. It's the pony interior, which includes the deluxe door panels, the knife handle door openers, the ponies on the seats. This has pony floor mats, deluxe steering wheel. And underneath the car is completely solid. The floors are super clean metal. All the suspension's been detailed in all the right finishes. The rear end's detailed out. It's just had a front end alignment. Really, when I read the receipt, I was impressed. He checked this car out top to bottom. Looks like it has an electric choke on the carburetor. I'll start it up for you in a second, but it runs beautifully. It has the deluxe seat belts. The whole dash area is beautiful. There's a retro stereo, fits right in the factory hole, but it's an actual stereo, and it even has little Mustangs on it. You'll see in the trunk here, everything's painted. It's got the decal. The weather strip is soft. Gas cap looks new. The dash pad is real nice. The visors are excellent. Has the deluxe steering wheel. Everything's real nice, but there is a crack in the plastic right here. If you want a car that looks fantastic and functions really well, this is it right here. And I know the gentleman that restored it, not the type of guy that would cut corners on anything. So it was restored properly. When it was restored, they completely rebuilt the motor, the transmission, everything was done on the car. And again, just recently, it was all gone through and serviced. That's the correct antenna. Springtime yellow with a palomino interior, a white convertible top. Has speakers, the optional speakers in the door panels. That's from the factory. That's optional. Those are hooked up through the new retro stereo. So there you have it, a beautiful car loaded with options. People like Mustangs all over the world. Easy to maintain, easy to work on, get parts for, and easy to resell when you're ready to move on to something else. So here's your opportunity to get a good one, a great one. Go to volocars.com. We're offering lots of great incentives right now. We'll walk you through the whole process. Any questions you have about the car, shipping, financing, we'll help with all of that. At volocars.com, plenty of ways to contact us. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can see the videos as they come out. I do appreciate everyone who's been watching.